Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to the LeBron Insider Channel. Today we're talking about one of the greatest basketball players of all time and how he's still being criticized for something that doesn't define his game, having a bag. LeBron James is no stranger to record-breaking achievements. He's on track to become the NBA's all-time leading scorer when he retires, with at least 4 NBA championships, 4 MVP trophies, 3 Olympic gold medals, and more All-NBA selections than anyone else in history. The man is a career-long embodiment of longevity and dominance in the league. But despite these accolades, LeBron still finds himself under attack on social media for something that's become a buzzword among younger players: having a bag. This term refers to a player who has an impressive arsenal of moves when handling the ball. It's not uncommon to see critics saying that LeBron doesn't have a bag, implying that he relies too much on his size, strength, and athleticism rather than fancy footwork or flashy dribbling. However, as LeBron himself pointed out in a recent conversation with Steve Nash and Luka Doncic, this focus on having a bag is something that's become increasingly prevalent among younger players. He recalled growing up when the conversation was about defense, not about how many moves you can do to get around defenders. Guys like Michael Jordan and Grant Hill were known for their toughness and ability to finish through contact, not for their ability to dribble past guys. And let's be real, LeBron didn't need all those fancy moves to become a dominant force in the league. He's built his entire career on being able to bully guys with his size, strength, and athleticism. Even at 40 years old, he's still capable of going straight through defenders to get easy buckets. But here's the thing: having a bag isn't the only way to be successful in basketball. As Luka Doncic pointed out, there's value in being a great defender and shooter who can make a living off corner three-pointers. In fact, that's exactly what LeBron has always said: focus on your game, work on what you're good at, and prove yourself as a better player each year. And it's not just about individual success, it's also about knowing your role within the team. As Luka Doncic noted, know what you do good and do that. Don't try to be someone you're not, because that's going to mess with the flow of the team. So next time you see LeBron being criticized for not having a bag, remember, his ability to dominate games without relying on fancy footwork is what made him one of the greatest players of all time. And let's give it up for the man who's still breaking records and proving people wrong after all these years.